Good morning. 7:11. We need to get up. Welcome in the video. What's going on? Okay, outside bed. My uncle was calling me. Our cows escaped their fences. So beautiful morning. We just need to close them again. And yeah, 7:20 maybe a.m. Starting the day with a couple thousand steps. Let's go. Okay, 8 p.m. We close cows, eat their fences, and I need to replace couple sticks because they're kind of broken. They're plastic and it's -10 outside, and when you can easily scratch it. I just need to replace it with the steel sticks. So yeah, I think good start of the day. Let's go for a breakfast. Okay, I got one package. I got one package, so I'm going for it, and I'm really excited about. And I don't have my, I don't know how to call it in English. And my card is alarming me. There we go. Okay, let's get it. Okay, I got my package on. And yep, we got statue. Okay, I finished my work with cows and machines, and right now we go for paperwork. So taking care of papers, everything else what we need. Okay, papers. I got papers for our counter. She taking care of our papers for company. Bring the paper for her. Okay, if you're watching this video, I probably finished this one and I upload it. Right now I render my tech video. Take about 4 hours. So yep, it's me. Okay. You know, good thing is when I am using my camera instead of my phone, is I can listen music while I'm recording, and I'm really happy. I buy a cam. I go to the work right now, and after the work we probably hit in gym. So tomorrow is gonna be video also from ice with the GoPro like last time, and yeah, I would say gym video today. Gonna be excited. I don't know exactly what I wanna train, but you will see. I hope my battery gonna handle it, because I have only one, and this battery is about one hour of recording. So thank you so much, and let's go. I have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 cows left. When they finish milking, I go wash myself and to the gym. And if you're still watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe channel. I don't shot anything from gym because was couple people there. I don't wanna record when somebody was there. We was training shoulders, biceps and chest today. Okay, I came from gym and right now I'm about to make some eggs. I wanna make supper. I was eating biscuits today in the morning. So biscuits have around 1000 calories with all the milk and stuff what I put in. Then I eat rice and meat. When I don't know how to count it, I can say it's about 1000 calories, and right now is 1920, and I'm about to make my last meal, and there is eggs, so let's go. Let's make some eggs. So yeah, I would say it's over for today. You saw my classic day. Right now is 19:35 and I'm about to finish meal, make a thumbnail for a new video, what I'm using and what I'm recommending about a tech, like for the vloggers or something for vlogging. When this video coming out, you probably are able to watch the video, so if yes, link gonna be pop up right now. If not, sorry, I don't finish it. But yeah, I'm gonna cut right now. You saw my daily day. A lot of steps, a lot of work, a lot of recording, a lot of editing, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. And thank you so much for watching, and see ya in the next one. Actually, it's really good. It's not that bad like I was expecting it's gonna be to be. It's hard. Okay.